We'll take the big case first.
Careful, the ground is loose right here.
All right, let's move this towards the markers.
Samples sealed and ready for transport. Custody confirmed. Batch sequence is correct.
Let's define the upper contact now that the zone is active. Agreed. We'll use the 20 ppm cutoff for the wireframe.
If we extend the bench here, the haul distance increases significantly.
But it stabilizes the slope for the next phase. Let's mark this boundary.
The sequence moves from the upper benches down. We need to confirm the haul road gradients can handle the heavy loads at this pitch.
Depth confirmed, we are good to go.
Hole 42 is complete. Moving to the next marker now.
Sensors show you are aligned. Confirmed position over the pocket.
Primary crushed ore travels toward the tramp metal protection system. A powerful suspended electromagnet hangs above the
dissonance. The automatic crossbelt sampler collects a representative portion, which then descends through a sealed reduction and splitting. The screens are running at optimal vibration. Recirculation looks good. The stacker is operating within parameters, maintaining the correct angle of repose. Good dust suppression. Beneath the completed crushed ore stockpile inside the enclosed reclaim tunnel, several heavy-duty apron feeders sit beneath.
A rotating cylindrical trommel screen receives the complete mill discharge. It separates material by size.
As the motor accelerates, the centrifugal force moves the dense mineral slurry into the ball mill circuit.
Check the flow rate on the secondary line. Flow rate is steady at 20 cubic meters.
We're seeing a slight fluctuation in the fine overflow consistency.
Check the hydrocyclone pressure readings.
A controlled rinse cycle begins. High-pressure water releases the trapped dense mineral fraction, which flows through an
Clarified process water flows evenly over the thickener's outer overflow weir, entering a circular collection launder.
At the bottom of the pre-leach thickener, dense slurry gathers near the central cone. Slow rake arms push the settled solids toward the underflow discharge. Large enclosed conditioning tank. A slow industrial agitator keeps the dense mineral suspension uniformly mixed.
We are approaching the carbon introduction point.
Confirmed. Initiating the feeder sequence now.
The conditioned leach slurry circulates inside the carbon and leach tank. Clean activated carbon granules arrive through a separate
Final screen secure, carbon levels nominal. Roger that. Initiating detox sequence.
Entrance. The slurry enters the detoxification system, where controlled reagents are added. After thorough mixing, the treated slurry moves toward gold-bearing activated carbon arrives through an enclosed transfer pipeline. The carbon and residual slurry enter a vibrating recovery screen. Tases. Clean rinse water enters the sealed carbon vessel through the upper spray manifold. The water circulates through the carbon bed and removes.
All systems secured. Ready for activation.
Batch initialized. Flux levels nominal. The prepared smelting charge is secured in the graphite crucible. Compaction is complete. Proceeding with transfer to the induction furnace. Furnace tilting initiated. Maintain shield position. Pour is stable.
Cases secured on rails. Final check complete. Affirmative. Compartment sealing now. All green for departure.
Surface layer looks ready. Prepare the skimming arm. Copy that. Engaging skimmer now. The automated system ensures precise handling. Note the consistent texture and the removal of edge flash at the trimming station.
Weight confirmed. Proceed with dimensional scan and sampling sequence.
Acknowledged. Moving to wool wheel transfer.
Anode rack secure. Electrolyte flow initiated.
Levels are stable. Verifying temperature alignment.
A powered lifting device picks up the first cathode assembly. The sheet remains flat and protected from contamination.
Cell covers secured. Initiating power sequence. We have stable current and fine bubbling. Refining cycle is active.
Attachment confirmed. Proceeding with transfer to the rinsing chamber.